Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by matching needle and thread. This sets success. Hold one 18 to 24-inch length of floss, separate strands if your pattern needs finer lines. Trim the end with sharp scissors to a clean, angled 1/8-inch cut because a slanted tip passes easily through the eye. Once done, dampen the end lightly or rub between fingers to tighten fibers. This reduces fraying. Make sure to keep knotting or threading technique ready before you bring the needle up. You now thread the needle with steady hands and good light. Hold the needle by the shaft with the eye up and pinch the trimmed thread about 1/4 inch from the tip. This short length prevents bend and fray. Push the pinched end through the eye in a slow, controlled motion. If resistance appears, stop and realign instead of forcing. Once threaded, pull enough through to form a small tail. If you prefer, use a looped threader and smooth one motion to pull thread cleanly. You finish by securing the thread so your stitches start cleanly. Tie a small knot or leave a 1 to 2-inch tail for a waist anchor. This avoids bulky starts on the front. If the thread frays, trim the end, re-angle the cut, and if needed, run it lightly over beeswax or conditioner to firm it, only a tiny amount. If threading still fails, swap to a finer thread or a needle with a proportionally larger eye, and try the same gentle push again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.